Oh, here she comes. Brace yourselves. Oh.
Okay, Hilda, I'm going to take a little picture of the back of your eye.
Is it gonna hurt?
No, it's not going to hurt. It's just going to take a little picture.
Okay.
Okay?
Here?
Please, Hilda, just up there.
Yeah.
Okay, so, oh yes, the eye is open nice and wide, Hilda, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good, and a big smile. Wow, that's lovely.
Is it nice?
It's a lovely eye. There we go.
Is that my eye?
That is your eye.
Wow.
It's true what they say, Hilda.
What's that?
Hares have great eyesight.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, Hilda.
But, Pato, I want to go outside and play. I don't want to lie in the hammock.
I know, Hilda.
I've got your broccoli juice, Hilda.
Oh.
Thanks, Archie.
Question.
Click to the big wizzy machine. We need to find out what my friends do when they go out to play.
Sure, that's easy. Did I ever tell you about the time when I was so bored playing with my toys that I climbed to the top of the biggest mountain in Big City Park instead?
But, Rory, we don't have mountains in Big City Park.
Well, we used to whenever I was allowed.
Got to dash.
Here, Dara, would you say that everyone's getting a bit hungry?
Well, we have been looking at what hedgehogs eat, so maybe they are.
Well, I better rustle something up then.
Got to dash.
Sing, singer.
Song.
Everyone knows one. Just sing.
Out loud.
Everyone will have fun. So
Don't be shy. You just have to try to sing a song.